Good morning, respected teachers and dear friends. Today I feel proud to speak about something very close to my heart, the power of reading books. A book is not just a collection of pages, it is a doorway to countless worlds, ideas, and dreams. Books empower us with knowledge, inspire us with stories, and challenge us to think beyond what we know. They are timeless friends, always available to teach, to entertain, and to guide. In the fast paced digital world, it's easy to forget the joy of turning the pages of a good book. Yet, if we look around, every great mind, from scientists to leaders, shared one common habit: they read, they learned, and they grew. Let us not just read for exams, let us read for life because every book we read shapes our futures, polishes our mind, and sharpens our heart. I would like to end with this thought. Books are the quietest and most constant of friends, the wisest of counselors, and the most patient of teachers. Let's promise ourselves today to read more, to dream more, and to achieve more. Thank you and happy reading.